Ravi this side from Learn and Grow. So this is another Docker video. So today we are going to discuss the Docker architecture. After that we will start practical session. So first we understand what is Docker architecture. So to understand the Docker architecture you need to be familiar with few terms. First is Docker host. What is Docker host? Docker host is the system on which you are running your container. So you install a Docker engine, then over it you run your container. So the system is called Docker host. Then we have Docker image. What is Docker image? So to run every container, you require a image. So what is image? Image is very small, trimmed or lightweight configuration that is required to run a container. So these images are uploaded in the Docker registry. This is, we can say, centralized location where all the Docker images are uploaded, and from Docker image I can run my container. Okay, or we can say Docker image is running mode of what? Okay, Docker image is clear. Now come container. Container, you know what is container? Container is actually running mode of Docker image. So based upon the requirement, you will pick the image, and on like if I required the Python, if I required the Java, PHP, whatever I require, that image I will pick from the Docker registry, and using that image I will spin my container. And then there are one more thing, Docker client. What is Docker client? Some people think that Docker client is a client which are using the Docker technology. No, Docker client is you can manage your Docker host by remotely. Manage Docker host remotely. Or I can do one thing. I can log in into my Docker client, and from my Docker client, I can manage my Docker host remotely, or I can run directly my commands on my Docker host on which my containers are running. Okay, so these things are clear to you. So Docker registry is example of Docker registry is Docker Hub. So here all the images are maintained. It is provided by the Docker. So two types of image you will get. Community edition, this is free images, and enterprise edition. Enterprise edition are the image in which the image provider will take care of all the patching. New version if coming, he will notify you and implement that, produce that new image for you. So these are the terms we need to know before starting our practical with Docker. So I hope things are clear to you now. So next follow video will be practical stuff. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.